Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Today I'm just starting my vlog around 5 p.m. guys. Me and Max came for a walk and here I just sat for some time near the borewell and I think Max is thirsty so he's drinking borewell water. Max really loved to play in the water guys and you might have seen my previous vlogs also. If not, please go ahead and watch it guys. Our neighbors have peanuts farm guys. From there we bought this raw peanuts and we are just washing that. We're gonna have it and obviously we really love to have raw peanuts. After having this raw peanuts we have a plan of going out guys. So where I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna take you guys also there. So please come. So we already started guys and on the way did you see the water flow guys? Wow, it's really amazing. We just came out to have some snacks and on the way I saw this boutique guys and it's really interesting and first time I'm just visiting this shop and this is SS House of Clothing it seems guys. Even Instagram they are there and please if you guys want to follow please follow them and different types of designs they're gonna stitch and even cloth is available with them and whatever the design you want they're gonna stitch and give you. On the way I just saw the display guys, the frock I'm gonna show you now and from so many days even I have a plan of wearing frock like this and the cloth it's good but I would like to have very comfortable clothes but any cloth guys if you bring any cloth or any saris especially I just if you want to stitch a frock you can even stitch with a sari which is not in use and definitely it is going to turn really good guys and if you're really interested please come and visit SS House of Clothing through Instagram also. They definitely reply for all your questions and yes here is the few designs which they made. These are made by them and they have stitched and kept ready and this is one I really liked it and this is a netted one and netted one if we wear it in summer we really not feel comfortable I felt and we have even cotton. This is another cloth I really don't know the material but still I really felt it's really damn good. We can even use it for long frocks or lehengas anything so whichever you feel comfortable and this is another cloth which is netted one only. So I just came inside to see what's happening and here the blouse work is going on. They even do that and this is a frock I really like it but I don't know whether it will suit for me or not but I thought of going for the other cloth. This material I really like it and we can even add a combination contrast color with that cloth and this is also really good guys. This sari I've already seen in the Instagram page in that SS House of Clothing and this is another cloth guys. Most of the people have stitched with this cloth only. You will really have a glossy look if you wear it. These are all saris only guys. We need to buy entire sari and in case if the cloth is remaining they're gonna return you guys after stitching the frock. Depends on your frills how many frills you want it for the frock and this combination I really like it guys. Orange or green I can make it. So till end I was looking only this sari but finally I've decided to bring my own sari and stitch with them. Definitely I do it guys. Who are really interested please go to Instagram page which is SS House of Clothing. Definitely you will find a best one and this is one more sari guys which is really very comfortable clothes. I really felt very soft material but bit costly these saris and all. Obviously depends on the cloth, depends on the sari only the prices will go. So anyways guys I really felt so excited watching it. Next time I definitely bring my own saree and I'm gonna stitch with them. So who are really interested, please visit SS House of Clothing. This is not the promotion video, guys, my own experience I'm just sharing with you. So on the way I saw this snack shop. You know, guys, why I felt interesting, which is making very hot on spot. And this is sweet poli, guys. We really love it, and they are making with ghee as well as with oil. I asked them why you're mixing ghee and oil, then only the taste will be good. It seems only with the ghee also the taste won't be so good. It seems from so many years they are doing it. Everybody are workers only, guys. From morning till night they're gonna prepare a fresh polish. Immediately everything is getting over. So that much demand they're having, it seems. First I'm gonna taste one, then I'm gonna decide to buy or not. Guys, many are waiting for this sweet polish. Obviously, this is a very tough job only. At home, I really feel very tough to prepare this sweet polish, but here, so easily they are making, and all these people are workers only. From morning till night, they're gonna work here, and yes, they're just doing very quickly, guys. Depends on the crowd and the pressing. If you see, wow, how fast she's doing, guys. Mm, the taste is really amazing, guys. I really gonna buy 10. So I just ordered for 10, so she's packing it. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.